Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 01, Psychology of Search. In this lesson, we will delve into the psychology behind search behavior, which is crucial for understanding how users interact with search engines and how to optimize pay-per-click (PPC) campaigns to attract relevant traffic. 1. Information retrieval. Search intent. Understanding the different types of search intent, informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial investigation, helps tailor PPC campaigns to meet user needs. Keywords. Identifying and targeting relevant keywords based on search intent can improve the effectiveness of PPC campaigns. 2. User behavior. Search patterns. Studying common search patterns, long-tail keywords, question-based queries, etc., can help optimize PPC campaigns for better visibility. Click-through rate, CTR. Understanding factors that influence CTR, such as ad relevance, ad position, and ad copy, is essential for optimizing PPC campaigns. 3. Decision-making process. Awareness. Users become aware of a need or problem that they want to solve. Consideration. Users research and compare different options to fulfill their need. Decision. Users make a decision and take action, such as making a purchase or contacting a business. 4. User psychology. Cognitive bias. Understanding cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias, availability heuristic, etc., can help tailor ad messaging to resonate with users. Emotional triggers. Leveraging emotional triggers, such as fear, joy, or curiosity, in ad copy can help capture user attention and drive engagement. 5. Ad copy and landing page optimization. Relevance. Ensuring that ad copy and landing pages are relevant to the user search query improves the user experience and can lead to higher conversion rates. Call to action, CTA. Using compelling CTAs in ad copy and landing pages can encourage users to take the desired action. By understanding the psychology of search, marketers can create more effective PPC campaigns that resonate with users, drive engagement, and ultimately lead to higher conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.